With over 100 types of human papillomavirus have been identified, how to know if HPV is gone? According to medical professionals, reality is we won't know for sure if all HPV in body are completely cleared. Though there are ways that can help us to make the judgment. Firstly is through HPV testing. HPV positive test result means you have high-risk HPV detected. And a negative HPV test result means you do not have HPV type that is linked to cervical cancer. So when your HPV test results turned from HPV positive to HPV negative, it's a good indication that the HPV is gone. However, HPV testing has its limitations because it is not known for certain whether HPV negative test results means the body really cleared all the virus entirely. Or like in the case of many other women, the virus is just suppressed to an undetectable low level. Furthermore, it only screened for infections in women with the high-risk types of HPV associated with cervical cancer, such as HPV types 16, 18, 31 and 45. So even with HPV negative test results, you won't know for sure whether there is other type of HPV in the body. Yet to mention, the current HPV testing is done on sample cells collected from the cervix of female. And there is currently no approved HPV test recommended for men. The second method is to determine if the HPV wart is completely dead and gone. Typically, dead warts drop off from their position on the skin and leave behind a hole. The absence of a bump or dark spots usually indicates the wart is completely removed. You should not feel any pain or discomfort if you add pressure on the area where the wart was. The areas around the affected part of your skin should look normal and smooth. Look closely at the location where the wart was. If you can see thin lines running across that spot, just like the one you see in a fingerprint or normal skin area, then the HPV wart symptom is gone. However, again, there is no certain way for us to know if the HPV wart virus is completely cleared from the body system, or the HPV wart virus still exists in body and lie dormant. Your body immunity plays critical role in fighting HPV. Watch the video below, it shows 5 proven natural ways to boost immunity and clear HPV out of body system. These natural ways are supported by medical research and actual results.